It's Saturday.
And I just got off work. But the trees are filling in. Birds are singing. I think the birds were singing. The pansies are pansing.
This is just, it's crazy.
Yep, sucking all winter. Awesome. Let's see what we can get done today. I want to try to get the chainsaw out, clean some stuff up.
I think we should do the front first. Take down the whole thing?
Well, I probably will later. Might be out of gas. Bet it's out of gas. Yep. Out of gas. I shall return. Don't laugh. I buy my gas in a can. Because for years, I picked on everybody about doing that. And then one day a friend talked to me into giving it a shot.
Let's see.
And I discovered how nice it is to have stuff that doesn't go stale, that lasts a lot longer. Like apparently this stuff is such a high octane rating that it lasts forever in the saw comparatively. And yes, I've become one of those people who spends expensive money to buy gas in a can now. Try this again. Yep, she's a very old apple tree. I may go drop a few more saplings over here. No trouble. Be interested to see what else I find out here. This one's big enough I may leave it.
Yeah.
And figure out which is the vines and briars and bushes. So, the chain got loose, then it got tight. I need to pull the cover off, see what's going on.
I see a rosebud. Look at that. I don't think that there are any more on there, but it's the first rosebud that's been on there in a couple years. So hopefully what he did last year helped it. Here we are. Some trees and limbs down in the backyard. And then we'll see what he's going to do.
I don't know if I ever had a chain get loose and then tighten back up. Now technically, when I was at your parents' house, I kind of chewed this chain up, getting rid of a root in the ground. And it's something I don't like to do, but I basically used...
Yes, it was cheaper than...
Yeah, it was like cheaper to buy a new chain than it was to get the right tool.
But you've used it since.
Well, hey, what about
my best friend's?
What's my rule?
Is it Man Law 579, subsection A?
The right tool is the one you've got?
Yeah.
This was the tool I had that day. Which is hot.
Is it supposed to be?
Well,
I mean, you've been using it.
I'm thinking maybe that's what was binding up. Is maybe the...
Wait, did you say binding?
Binding on one, nothing on two. Let's go saw up the ones I've already dropped. She keeps binding up. I need to make sure the oil hasn't run out. Yeah, it's out of bar oil. So basically the chain's heating up. It's out of oil.
But you fixed it.
I put oil in there. I may go ahead and do some weed eating back here. Weed eating.
I was being artsy fartsy.
Ooh. Yeah, 50 to 1. Hardly any oil in this stuff at all. Back in my day, you had just as much oil as you had gas. Okay, that's a good start. Yeah, I wish I owned that willow oak right there. Beautiful willow oak, probably 100 or so years old. Kind of being choked out by the hickory right here. Kind of wish the property line went about 20 feet back, then I could get those two trees. I think I'll call it done on the project stuff for now. And just start doing the regular weed eating. But hey, look. Does it look better when you pan around now? Let's see you find a clover now. Think of my strength. There's still string on there, it's just all wound up. Well, I'm kind of tired of doing this anyway. I'll take a break.
You got a lot accomplished.
Yeah. Problem was I was almost done with the housey house part, you know, not the ditch and the trees and everything else, but almost had the house done.
Hello, friend. Hi, friend. You have a caterpillar on your neck. And if you ask me to get him, there's no, yeah. It's a green caterpillar.